gonna show you how to use your phone at the ATM to make transactions. If you want to get money, you want to make deposits, so you don't have to have your actual card in hand. But first, what you want to do is open up your wallet, and you want to bring your debit card as your default. In order to do this, just click your finger on the debit card. I'm gonna do my Bank of America, and you hold it there, and now you just drag it and drop it up front, and you just let it go. It's gonna say it's your default card now, but you got to make sure this action is done first. If you're using Chase, you can pull Chase up, but I'm using Bank of America, so now it's my default card. So once you do that, you can now go to the ATM and start your transaction. So here we're gonna go to the ATM. So you can see right here at the ATM. So the only thing I have to do is bring my card or my phone right next to this contactless. You see the Wi-Fi little signal light. You just hold your phone right there, and it's going to ask for your ID or your face to open up your app. And then once you do that, you just go and enter your PIN for your debit. So that's all you have to do. So you just put your phone right next to that contactless thing right there, and then you can start your transactions. So if you ever lose your card or you left your card at home, that's how you can use your phone to get into the ATM. All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and have a great day.